Hello and welcome back to trading the Fibonacci's candlestick pattern support and resistance. Once again, I just wanted to recap the events of the week. This is the last in the series of videos that I started at the beginning of the week. When I first started recording the videos, I had no idea how the market would go. I drew the Fibonacci's, the support resistance, and all the other indicators from scratch. I did not know whether the trades were going to be profitable or not, but as the week has turned out, it has actually turned out to be that we actually made 1270 pips and lost 126 pips, netting overall profit of 1144 pips. That is pretty awesome, given that it was a pretty volatile week in the market. And once again, this video is purely for educational purposes. All the trades that were placed in this video were in a practice account, and I'm not in any way intending to give any kind of financial, tax, or any other kind of investment advice. Anyone who trades in Forex needs to understand that there is substantial amount of risk involved, and you could lose a lot of money as well. That's why on my website www.myforexdna.com, I have also put a small game plan that includes what you should do in order to be successful. I'm just an ordinary guy. I'm not one of the analysts, and I wanted to recap the events of this week. If I can do it, I think pretty much anybody should be able to do it. I just took the time and effort to learn a little bit about Forex. I don't know enough like some of these gurus. I'm no guru, but wanted to show you that yes, can one actually make this into a profitable career, hobby, profession, call it what you may, but it is fun. Having said that, let me show you where we are. At the beginning of the week, I had drawn the channels, I had drawn the Fibonacci support resistance, and as you can see, this is the Euro USD 60-minute chart, and it was trending within the channel. There was a false breakout here. I did have some losing trades in the practice account over here, and then subsequently I ended up going short on the euro again over here. And as you can see, I missed some opportunities because I'm not in front of my computer all the time, and so I pretty much put swing trades. I place the trade and walk away. I put a few minutes a day in Forex. I don't put really a whole lot of time, because I really don't have a whole lot of time to put into this. I have other things in life that I do. But having said that, I placed the order here. 2 lots I had sold at 1.3225, and I'll zoom in so that you can see it better. That's where I had sold. There was the first lot. I always close at a quicker profit, and I captured a 155 pip profit. And then subsequently, as the market went, it broke through this channel. There was a resistance point here, as you can see, once, twice, 3, and 4 times. So I drew the resistance line, a support line, and the market bounced off of that line 4 times, broke through the channel here, the lower end of the channel. The lower end of the channel started to act as resistance once, a couple of times here. Then it broke through. It also broke through the 50-day moving average. However, at the middle of the channel, it reversed back and has then fallen back below the 50-day moving average and below the channel, and has gone down, broke through this support, and reversed. The support now became resistance point right here. It continues to remain bearish. I thought over here there was going to be a new higher high starting to form. However, it has not turned out to be so as yet. This was the new low. This was a high, but it is not higher than the previous high. Maybe a new trend is starting. I don't know yet. I don't know what the next week is going to bear out. My trades are closed. I've locked in all my profits. I will again analyze the market for next week and start afresh. However, just wanted to show you that yes, a new low has not been created, neither has a new high been created. Overall, the tone remains bearish. Now let me walk you through. So I'm 155 pips here, 625 pips here. This is the Euro USD. let me show you what happened on the Japanese yen. Excuse me. Same way here in the Japanese yen. This is once again the 60-minute chart. Please watch the previous videos if you want to see how I did everything that I'm showing you here in this recap video. I've walked you through the various time frames, from the larger time frame down to the shorter time frames. I've started the weekly chart, gone down to the daily charts, and then to the hourly charts. I'm going to consolidate all the videos and put them on my blog, on my website, www.myforexdna.com/forexvideos.html is where these videos can be found. Hopefully this weekend I will get the time to redo my website, because I need to consolidate the videos and then categorize them by topic, and I will keep adding more videos as time progresses. Here I've drawn a trend line, and as you can see, this is the Euro USD, this is the USD Japanese pair. This is a 60-minute chart. I've drawn the trend line. It is acting as a resistance line. I had sold the yen right at this point, 99.95, 2 lots. Locked in a 95 pip profit here. As the first lot is always a quicker profit. The second lot continued all the way here down at 96.00 profit level. I got the profits, 395 pips. The market has reversed, gone back, kind of broke the resistance line, but did not really form any candle above it. Stayed below the 50-day moving average and has continued back down. Friday was a big bearish day in the global stock markets, and as you can see, it is reflected here on the currency markets as well. However, after it has started reversing, going back up, a new high has not been created, neither has a new low necessarily been created. So we don't quite know where the markets are headed as yet. We will find out in the coming week where they are going to go. As of now, they are not headed in any particular direction. As I do my analysis for this week, I will find out what's the next step to be taken. So that was the yen. Let me now take you over to my actual account so that you can see. I started out the practice account with a $10,000 initial equity. The equity currently stands at $11,153, indicating that we made over 1,100 pips in this account. Let me pull a report, and I'll run a report right now so that you can see what really happened. 1,100 pips in a mini account equates to $1,100 approximately. 1 pip generally equates to about $1. 1,100 pips in a regular account equates to $11,000. Nice chunk of change. And as you can see, it doesn't take much effort. Here is the actual account, and sorry, I hit the wrong key. There were 6 trades that I placed totally. The first 2 were losing trades, as you can see. Lost 74 and 52 pips, totally 126 pips on the Euro USD over here, and then made 155 pips, about 95 pips, and 395 pips on the euro and the yen. Going to the second page, you can see that I made the 625 pips on the Euro USD. So overall, not a bad week. More than 1,100 pips trading the Fibonacci's profitably. I will create more videos and put them under different topics. Hopefully you like what I've shown you here. Once again, the biggest challenge was when I started out, I had no idea absolutely whether I would actually have profitable trades or not. And I was just confident that I knew what I was doing, and as it turned out, the week turned out to be an overall positive week for me. I have been posting these videos almost every other day, and just showing you the results of my trading, not knowing whether when I did the recording whether the trades were going to be the way I thought they would. Given the volatile nature of the market, it is amazing that my interpretation and analysis turned out to be true. I am not an analyst, I'm not a guru, once again just an ordinary guy. If you take the time, invest a little bit in your own personal education, anybody can make it. please go ahead, visit my website. Do try to, there are a lot of free resources and low-cost educational resources available. Hope if you are interested in making Forex a profitable profession or a hobby or just an interest for yourself, you can actually make fun at it. The stock markets have not necessarily been rewarding for a lot of people, and as you can see, Forex can be rewarding. Hope you folks like it. If you do, please say so. Go post some comments on my blog, or feel free to also, just send me an email through my blog, and you can subscribe to it as well. Visit my website. There are some resources there as well, and I will keep adding more videos. Good luck, God bless, and have fun trading. Thank you.